is Tuesday morning, January the 16th, 2024, and it's time for a reality check. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizabeth, and I've been living in the life by documenting a 160-pound weight loss. And now I am just documenting my healthy living, the choices that I make, and how I am maintaining that weight loss and continuing to live a healthy life. So if you're looking for healthy recipes, if you're looking for encouragement to live a healthy life, to lose weight, to maintain a weight loss, whatever it is that you're looking for, this is the channel for you. I post recipes that are healthy recipes. I do also post recipes that are just delicious family recipes that I make. Some of them I eat, some of them I don't, and I share with others. But it is all a part of my life and my lifestyle choices, and I love to share that with you. If that's what you're looking for, I would invite you to subscribe to my channel, and please give me a thumbs up. That just lets me know that the content that I'm creating is positive and encouraging and helpful to you. One thing that I've committed to is to post reality checks. I did them every week, almost every week during my weight loss process. During my maintenance, I probably will not post them every week, but hopefully every couple of weeks I will post a reality check just to let people know how I'm doing. It really is, for me, it holds me accountable when I know I've got to post and say I gained or I lost or whatever it is that I may have been experiencing. So I want to go ahead and just share that as of now, I am maintaining my weight loss. I am currently 6 pounds below my goal weight, and I fluctuate anywhere from 6 to 8 pounds below. I've been up to 5 pounds below, but I try to, when I hit that number, I'm like, nope, not going to go there. And I just am a little bit more careful about what I eat. I created my, what's called your TEE, your total energy expenditure. I used a great calculator that I found online that I really liked. It's TDEE, so Tom, David, Edward, calculator.net. And you put in your age, your height, your weight, male or female, activity level, and it lets you know how many calories you should be eating. But this one also goes even further and gives you 3 different macro ranges. So if you want low carb, moderate carb, or high carb, it gives you the ranges that you can follow for that. And so I kind of am in between a low to moderate carb choices. I eat anywhere from 1,300 to 1,500 calories a day. I try to eat about 100 grams of protein, no more than 150 grams of carbohydrates, and about 50 grams of fat. And I disperse that throughout 6 different times that I eat during the day. I found, as I worked through the Optavia 5-in-1 program, that eating 6 times a day is healthy for me. My body responds well to it. So I really have become more of a grazer. I typically will eat 4 kind of snack type things, smaller meals that are 200 calories or less, and then I will have 2 meals that are a little bit bigger that are anywhere from 200 to 400 calories, just kind of depending. That has worked really well for me. It might not necessarily work for everybody, but it is, it's healthy to constantly provide yourself with fuel. The other thing that I do make sure that I do for myself is that I provide myself with quality nutrition. What that means is I avoid processed foods as much as I possibly can. I will make my own sweet treats. I make most of our meals from scratch. I don't buy frozen packaged things. I do buy frozen vegetables, but it's just like green beans or broccoli or spinach. I don't buy things that are combined with other things. I make most of my sauces, my own marinara sauce. I've got a video on that. I make my own salad dressings, super easy and much more economical and healthy for you than the bottled dressings. They don't contain any sugars or sweeteners whatsoever, and most of the bottled dressings contain some type of sweetener, and you really don't need it. So sugar, your body doesn't recognize real sugar versus fake sugar. It just sees it as sugar. So if you are tricking yourself into thinking, well, it's, it's natural sugar, well, it's still sugar, and your body is easily addicted to sugar. So as much sugar as you can cut out of your body and out of your diet, the better off you are going to be. I've talked about a typical day for me before, and I've got lots of videos about that. I will continue to post those kind of day in the life. They're hard for me to do because my day is pretty boring, but I will do more of those because I know people really like those. But I did want to tell you that tonight I'm doing a really exciting live event on my YouTube channel. So just come back here tonight, 6 o'clock Central Time. This is Tuesday, again, January the 16th, 2024. And I'm doing a live pizza event. I'm going to make 3 different pizza crusts, all of them gluten-free, all of them keto-friendly, all of them very healthy. I'm doing a chicken crust. Well, it's actually turkey because I couldn't get ground chicken, a zucchini crust, and a cauliflower crust. My chicken crust is going to be a veggie pizza, but it's not vegetarian because the crust, right? My zucchini crust is going to be vegetarian. It is going to be a green pizza, which uses spinach and cottage cheese and mozzarella cheese. And then my cauliflower crust is going to be a supreme pizza. And the meat on it can be your choice of, you could do ground turkey, you could do ground beef, you could do ground pork. Don't buy sausage. I don't know how else to say, if you read anything about processed meats as one of the leading carcinogens, we should not be eating processed meat. So please don't buy sausage. Now you can make your own sausage that doesn't have all of the additives in there, but please don't buy sausage. It's just not good for you. So I'm going to use ground venison. Actually ground venison sausage that my husband and I made ourselves with a deer that he shot on our property. And so that is super lean meat, and I'm going to use that on my pizza tonight. I would love it if you would join in. I am going to do 3 drawings for prizes, for giveaways in my my live event tonight. So you have to be present to participate in this one. But I also wanted to tell you that I am very close to 5,000 subscribers. It's not a huge number. I watch other YouTubers that have, 200,000 subscribers and, 70,000 subscribers. And so I'm not even close to that, but that's really exciting for me to be at almost 5,000. And so when I hit 5,000, which I expect to happen in the next week or so, I'm going to do another live cooking event, and I'm not sure what I'm going to cook yet, but I'm going to do another live cooking event, and I'm going to do a really big giveaway because I'm really excited about that. I did just want to clarify, I make some money off of YouTube, but I think I make maybe $50 a month off of YouTube. So it's not like a big income generator for me. But the more subscribers I have, the more that money goes up, and the more money goes up, the more I can do fun little giveaways, because I like to give back to the community. I'm not doing this for the money. And so it would be nice to be able to do a drawing and give away something nice. I might give away a Renfo scale, or maybe a food scale. Leave me comments in the comments box down below. Tell me, what would you like to see as a giveaway for a live event? So there's my little invitation. There's my reality check. I hope that you will join me tonight and see that live pizza demonstration. And until I see you next time, please live in the light.